Can I buy one of those large boxes? Can I buy one of those large boxes? Can I get this in 8.5? Can I get this in 8.5? Can I have a refund? Can I have a refund? Can I try it on somewhere? Can I try it on somewhere? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Can I try this shoe on in a 6? Can I try this shoe on in a 6? Can you point me to the medicine area? Can you point me to the medicine area? Can you take my measurement? Can you take my measurement? Could I have a plastic bag, please? Could I have a plastic bag, please? Did you find everything you needed today? Did you find everything you needed today? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Do you have a dressing room? Do you have a dressing room? Do you have different sizes for this shirt? Do you have different sizes for this shirt? Do you have the receipt? Do you have the receipt? Do you sell fresh seafood? Do you sell fresh seafood? Do you sell ice cream here? Do you sell ice cream here? Do you sell postcards? Do you sell postcards? Excuse me, could you help me with something? Excuse me, could you help me with something? How much are these things all together? How much are these things all together? How much is it? How much is it? How much is the box? How much is the box? I don't know what my size is. I don't know what my size is. I would like to return this, please. I would like to return this, please. I am looking for t-shirt. I am looking for t-shirt. Is there anything cheaper? Is there anything cheaper? It doesn't really suit me. It doesn't really suit me. It's not quite what I wanted. It's not quite what I wanted. It's the wrong size. It's the wrong size. Make it into a parcel. Make it into a parcel. Medium should be fine. Medium should be fine. No, can I have a refund, please? No, can I have a refund, please? No, thank you. No, thank you. Nowadays, everything is costly. Nowadays, everything is costly. Please pay at the checkout. Please pay at the checkout. Show me some others, please. Show me some others, please. Sorry, I don't have any change. Sorry, I don't have any change. That's all for today. Thanks. That's all for today. Thanks. The changing rooms are over there. The changing rooms are over there. There's a discount of 20% on this. There's a discount of 20% on this. These jeans are discounted by 50%. These jeans are discounted by 50%. Was anyone helping you with this? Was anyone helping you with this? What is your size? What is your size? What time do you open in the morning? What time do you open in the morning? Where are your blue jeans? Where are your blue jeans? Where can I find a shopping basket? Where can I find a shopping basket? Where can I find batteries? Where can I find batteries? Where can I pay? Where can I pay? Where is the bakery section? Where is the bakery section? Where is the checkout? Where is the checkout? Where is the dressing room? Where is the dressing room? Where is the toothpaste? Where is the toothpaste? Would you like to choose something else? Would you like to choose something else? Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.